Telegram is more than just another messaging app. It's a powerhouse of speed, security, and versatility, especially now that it's fully compatible with Linux. Whether you're a developer, a business user, or someone who thrives in open-source environments, Telegram on Linux brings you the best of both worlds: lightning-fast communication and top-notch privacy. Let's dive into how you can install it. It's straightforward. Open your software manager from the Start menu, search for Telegram, and you'll have the option to choose between Flatpak or System Package. Just click Install, launch the app, and you're almost there. If you prefer a manual installation, you can download it directly from Telegram's official website. Once installed, hit Start Messaging, enter your phone number, verify it with the SMS code, add your name and profile photo, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Now, let's talk features. Telegram on Linux allows you to send and receive unlimited photos, videos, and documents. Regular users can share files up to 2 GB, while premium users can send files as large as 4 GB. All of this is fast, secure, and cloud-based, so you never have to worry about losing your data. Managing massive groups and multiple channels is a breeze with Telegram's Linux client. You can create organized chat folders to separate your work, social, or broadcast channels, keeping your workspace clutter-free. Plus, the Linux version offers enhanced customization options. You can tweak theme settings, choose stickers, emojis, adjust fonts, and even set custom wallpapers, features that aren't always available on mobile. Language barriers? Not a problem. Telegram's built-in translation tool makes chatting across borders effortless. You can communicate with anyone, anywhere, without missing a beat. And let's not forget the user interface. Enjoying Telegram on a large screen makes typing long messages or scrolling through media much easier on the eyes and boosts your productivity. Speaking of productivity, Telegram on Linux comes with built-in shortcuts that can really speed up your workflow. For instance, use Ctrl+Enter to send messages, Ctrl+C to copy text, and Ctrl+F to search. Every keystroke saves you time and keeps you focused. Security is a top priority. Telegram Desktop for Linux is an official client that employs strong encryption to secure your conversations. With over 800 million users globally, it's a platform built on trust and transparency. You can feel confident knowing your messages are safe. In summary, Telegram for Linux offers a full-featured, secure messaging experience optimized for your desktop. With fast file transfers, advanced customization, and professional-grade features, Telegram X is quickly becoming the go-to messaging solution for Linux users. If you want the full guide and download links, check out the article for step-by-step details and helpful screenshots.